Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Stigwell, and I am back with another live cop video. Now today, as you can see from the thumbnail, as you can see from the title of this video and the reason you clicked, we're going for the Gym Red 1s, Jordan 1s. But if you follow me on IG, you already know that I already hit on my personal size 10 and a half at Finish Line. I think it might be my first ever debut on Finish Line. If not the first, it's only the second, because their app is trash. But so we're going to go for smaller sizes today on the Foot Locker, Champs, and Foot Action apps. Foot Locker is the only one in my area that's doing adult sizes and GS sizes. Foot Action is only doing adult sizes in my area, and what I say, Foot Locker and Champs is only doing adult sizes. So matter of fact, I don't even think I put in for Champs. I think I might have only done Foot Locker and Foot Action. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to do those two. We already did Finish Line. That's already out of the way. But if you're new around here and you see that big button down below and it's still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Come over here and join the movement. We're only about 5 supporters away from 1,700 supporter milestone here on the channel, man, and that's such a blessing, man. I appreciate each and every one of you guys that continue to come and watch my content. I'm trying to turn all of my casual viewers into subscribers. So if you wouldn't mind, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that notification bell, because I'm going to continue to be pumping out this content non-stop. Now, also, if you haven't watched my past 2 videos, man, my past 2 videos have been about this new movement that I'm trying to do. It's called Lunches on Me, and the Lunches on Me movement is going to be me trying to help push the sneaker community forward as far as supporting us smaller YouTubers and channels. So if you want, I'm gonna put a card up. If you want to go support, right now International O is on the road to 600. If you go subscribe to his channel and be subscribed to my channel as well, I'm going to be Lunches on Me for some random subscriber. I'll put the card up so you can go click on that and get all the details of that. I don't want to put it all in this video, but go subscribe to his channel and be a subscriber to mine, and your lunch is on me for some lucky subscriber. But with all that being said, I appreciate you guys coming to watch another video. Let's get into this live cop. All right, y'all, you can see we down to the 30-second mark, man. I only have Foot Action and multiple accounts open on Foot Locker. So we'll see, man. Like I said, I'm only going for small sizes. So I already got my personal size at Finish Line. So let's get into this countdown. Woo! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next time? Let's see. Next time. Okay, next time on one of the Foot Lockers. Let's go over here. What is this? What's going on? It ain't telling me. What? Hey, there we go. Foot Action came through for your boy. What? Stop playing with me. Why is it not confirming? About time. What's going on? Playing games with me. Well, there we go. Let's check another Foot Locker account. See if we got lucky on if we doubled up. All right, let's sign into this other account. And it's not even showing my reservation. That doesn't even make any sense. I don't know what's going on. Why it's not on here. What? Oh, here we go. Okay. What is this? Why's the times off? I'm so confused. Why is it 6 minutes? What is going on with this app? I'm so confused right now. How did it start over and it says I have no head start? The reservation already ended. You guys let me know if your app started acting crazy, your Foot Locker app, because my Foot Action, obviously it was crazy to reserve it, but at least it went through eventually. My Foot Locker app, I caught the L, but then I come back and it restarted the countdown a few minutes with no head start. Let me know in the comments down below if y'all's app start acting crazy. Alright, y'all, I apologize, man. I've been in and out of these apps. It keeps saying that I don't even have a sneaker reserved or whatever. I've been on both accounts back and forth, and then it's not even, my sneakers aren't even popping up. So I'm gonna try it one more time. Okay, now they're here. Well, obviously I already know I didn't hit on this one because it says see alternative. And it's still saying the same thing. And let's go to the grade school because I didn't hit on the grade school on my account. Bam! One more. So now I got a size 8 and a size 6.5. Let's go. I knew I couldn't strike out on Foot Locker. That's the plug right there. You got him. Nah, you thought you was gonna run by me and disrespect me again? No. Alright, y'all, so I got my good luck charm with me. Abel is back in the building, and I have no idea what was going on with the app. Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all had any issues with y'all Foot Locker app. I don't know if it was just overcrowded, the servers or anything like that, but I ended up getting waitlisted on the grade school size. On a grade school size, I took an L on all the rest except for a 6.5. So I hit on a 6.5 and an 8 on Foot Action, and obviously the 10.5 on Finish Line on like a few days ago. So we got three out of a bunch of attempts, but I'll take it. Obviously I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I have plans to trade my 10.5. Somebody already asked me to do a trade. If that goes through, if they're serious, then I'll do the trade. If not, somebody else can have the 10.5. The 8 will probably be up for sale just so I can, fund my habit, which is being a sneakerhead. And the 6.5 might actually sell as well, but I might give that to retail for somebody. So if y'all see this before tomorrow and y'all want a 6.5, just let me know. If I didn't already move it, if I moved it already, I'll let you know. If not, then I'll give it to retail for somebody, one of my subscribers. So just let me know down in the comments below. But we're gonna get out of here. Ovi!